My loves, have you seen the Valentine's Day cards at Dollar Tree, the handcrafted greeting cards? Like this one, the XOXO. These are so cute. All right, $1.25. Honey, they have so many more. Really cute. Check this out. Okay, my love. All right, be my Valentine. You see the heart, and then they have the rhinestone. Honey, get into it and do it. All right, really, really cute. This one, you and me, honey, I like that. Really, I said about the headquarters. Ooh, child. All right, so. Oh, I didn't know they had the shampoo. Ooh, child. All right. So. I only seen the conditioner last time, but honey, they have the shampoo as well. Now, let me tell you something about this. Balance Cleanse for hair maintains healthy feel of scalp. This, when I went online to see how much this was way more than $1.25. Okay, this is a name brand. They have this at Target and also at Walmart. All right. They also have the shampoo here, and then Dollar Tree also has the conditioner. Child, last time I only seen the term conditioner. If I seen the shampoo, I would have got the shampoo and conditioner. Child, all right, $1.25. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Peace, family, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day today. Honey, it's a little nippy my way, okay? Listen, I want you to know that you are loved, okay? I don't care what it seems like, what it feels like. Ooh, shit. Honey, you are loved. Now, today, we are heading inside Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is in a place to be, okay? And let's see what they have in store, if they have any treats. I'll see you guys once we get inside. Now, Dollar Tree also have this unicorn among horses. This is soothing bath crumbles. Okay, honey, they just got this in. Unicorn Dreams with Moroccan oil, relaxing and hydrating. $1.25. And they have like 2 boxes of these, all right? They must be just got these in. They also have the towel scrunchies. I had showed you guys these last time for Valentine's Day, and also the microfiber hair wrap, which is $1.25. Honey, swing my way, okay? All right, so you guys know how I feel about this product right here, the Home Bright Pink Grapefruit Scent. The product is absolutely hands down, okay? It is the dupe from Pink, okay, that they sell, the cleaning solution that they sell in places like Walmart. I don't know if they sell Pink in Target, but I know definitely in Walmart, okay? Now, one of you guys said the carpet cleaner by far is so good, okay? Really, really good. And this is $1.25. They also have other products from that line like this, okay? All purpose cleaner, pink formula. You see, streak free and sparkling clean. Then they also have the bathroom cleaner. Now, I did do the bathroom cleaner. I could not find the kitchen. Is this the kitchen? No, see, they only really have the bathroom cleaner and the glass cleaner, and then also the carpet cleaner. But they was carrying the bathroom cleaner. I mean, the kitchen cleaner. I don't know. They don't have it no more. I don't see it, child. So, to all my football fanatics, okay, just in case if you guys are having a football party, honey, make sure you send me an invite, okay? But listen, Dollar Tree has the plastic table covers over here for $1.25. The table runners, party theme for football, child, fancy pantsy. Flag banners, 3-swirl decorations, letter banner, tissue centerpiece, and then they also have this right here, paper trays, 6 of them for $1.25. Balloon kit that says game day. I know that's right. Easy to inflate, straw included. They also have the napkins. 18 napkins for $1.25. If you're looking for cups, honey, they have the tumblers, 6 pieces. And what really gets me is these football tumblers down here. These are so fancy, mancy. They also have the treat bucket, okay? You get about 4 of these for $1.25. The chips and dip tray over here, which is really cool, $1.25 as well. All right, so when I seen these, I was over the moon, okay? All right. Marcella, is that how you pronounce it? Kiwi and pomegranate. Okay, so this is a cleansing water and it is vegan. Okay, and I was reading this the other day because I definitely had purchased two. I think it was the pomegranate and the kiwi and the berries and lemon. All right, yeah, lemon and berries. Okay, urban hydration helps detox, helps revitalize, helps repair complexion, helps soften. Okay, and this is pretty much no bad stuff. They say no bad stuff. All right, and you get a lot for $1.25. And this, I want to say, this is a dupe from the brand that they sell in Target. Okay, this brand. Okay, now listen. When I tell you Dollar Tree is finna freeman us to death, okay, I do literally mean that, because every time you turn around, Dollar Tree has Freeman hydrating cream, Freeman energizer jelly mask, purifying cream mask. So, like, you know, everything is Freeman, okay? Freeman smooth and scrub mask, okay? Exfoliating facial, honey, chill. That's not Freeman. Okay, scratch that. Freeman anti-stress clay mask. Honey. Okay, have you seen this? Okay, have you seen this? Now, some of you guys, I don't know what it is. Do you have your notifications on? Okay, but because when I show you these Steel Deal Trills for real, you're not gonna be able to get them. Why? You may ask. Because your notifications aren't on and you're not going to know when I upload, child. But listen, okay? This is Freeman Exfoliator Cleanser, all right? Oatmeal and warm-up. Let's try this again. Let's do another take. Oatmeal and walnut, okay? All right? Wait, hold on, child. Restorative moisture formula, okay, $1.25. Now, they also have this pink one. It says new, and I haven't seen this one. Botanical extracts, purifying. Okay, this is the cleanser plus mask. Dollar Tree said, listen, we can't just give you the mask. We got to give you the cleanser, too. All right? So Dollar Tree ain't playing. They moving their feet to the beach. That's what I'm saying in so many words. Now, Dollar Tree also have the spa headbands. Some of you guys may have seen these. Now, they come in different colors. They have the pink, the blue, the green, and the gray, and the white. They also have the makeup brushes, okay? Rose shaped, really cute, $1.25. They come in different colors as well. Rose gold, and pink, and also in purple. And then they also have the makeup brush storage right here. These are really cute, because after you use those makeup brushes and clean them, honey, you could just put them right up in here to dry. But don't put the lid on, okay? Just wait until they dry and then put the lid. So if you are still looking for Valentine's themes, okay, Dollar Tree definitely have these glasses right here. These sunglasses, I absolutely love these. All right, so honey, these went really quick. Mini LED makeup mirrors, $1.25. 14 beauty LEDs. Well, is it LEDs or LEDs? Whatever. Okay, 14 beauty LEDs. All right, vanity stand, travel friendly, and then that's the only color they pretty much have here. Okay, manicure set, pedicure set, Whatever type of set you looking for, Dollar Tree has it. I'm just kidding. All right. Dollar Tree also have the lip gloss with the pom-pom. These are so fancy, pantsy, mancy. I like these. You guys know what I'm going to say. I got one of those for my youngest daughter, Amani. Okay. And then Dollar Tree also have the hot cold iPads, which are $1.25. All right, so this is pretty much what else Dollar Tree has when it comes to the Valentine's Day theme. Containers, they have 8 cards, 8 gifts, 8 strings. They also have paper plates and then buckets, $1.25. Really, really cute. Transformers. These are so cute for the children. I say that every time I see it. Okay, it feels like it's the very first time, right? They also have the table covers, $1.25. And treat bags with twist ties, which I think is an excellent deal because you get 20 pieces for $1.25. And where there's a Dollar Tree, there is definitely a gnome, okay? All right? This table decor, I love this, my love. And then they also have the tabletop signs over here. Put you in a mind of the candy. Really, really cute. All right, so Dollar Tree also have these bowls right here. I think this is the first time I'm seeing these. Honey, I see so much stuff. These are $1.25. Really, really cool. And they only come in red, child. They should have had them in pink, but nah, this is pretty much the only color that they come in. And then they also have these little containers right here that comes with the lids. Wait, hold on. Dollar Tree, you selling them? All right, so this is separate. The bowl is $1.25. The lid is $1.25. Now, come on, Dollar Tree. Come on. All right, come on. Now, if you're a person that's looking to get your green thumb on, all right, Dollar Tree said, listen, we definitely have what you need. Starting out, beginners, we have it. We have the gloves, okay, for you fancy folks. We have the garden flags, that's $1.25. We have the solar stake lights, which are $1.25. We have the hummingbird feeders, $1.25, okay? The hanging wire baskets, because you know you want your garden to look fancy, pantsy, mancy, all right? You don't want it to look just like any old thing. These are $1.25 as well. Needle point pruners, they have $1.25. Honey, let me tell you something. So when it comes to stuff like this, right, the cultivators, the metal hanging plant brackets, all of this stuff, the solar spotlight, you are not going to be spending $1.25 anywhere else, okay? This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Look at these solar spotlights. These are the first time I'm seeing these. Ooh, okay. All right, Dollar Tree, swing my way. All right. Easter theme, Dollar Tree has these Easter buckets right here. These are cute with the bunny, okay? They come in 3 different colors. They have the pink, the yellow, the blue. Really, really cool. Oh, this is the one with the chickadee chick, okay? So the bunny comes in pink and blue, and the chickadee chick comes in yellow. Absolutely fancy. They also have the window clings. Some of you guys may have seen this. 14 pieces, $1.25. 12 pieces, $1.25, and 15. And this is pretty much what they working with when it comes to the Easter decor. Really, really cool. They have ribbon. They also have the Easter trees. They has the bright, fun colors, springish. Love it. And then they also have some more items like the wreaths and the wood egg beaded garland. And then also the Peeps Easter baskets. And then they also have the Sesame, is it Sesame Place or Sesame Street? Sesame Street baskets. They also have the 3-tier serving tray, $1.25. Tumblers, double walled tumblers, Peeps theme, $1.25. Well, Easter theme. Then they also have the, honey, did I say $1.20? Honey, this is $5. Okay, and this 3-tier serving tray is $5, and this Peeps printed plush throw is $5. Honey, where I'm getting $1? All right, the solar mushrooms are also $3. Honey, Dollar Tree still have some Christmas items left. Honey, they still have them. All right, 50% off. Now, Dollar Tree also have these boxes over here. Now, this is with the zodiac signs on here. I thought these were so fancy pantsy. These came out around Christmas time. Okay, and these are $1.25. Okay, so these mirrors right here, these are fancy pantsy mancy. Okay, you see how cute these are? Oh, child, get into it, honey. Not the bus pass, okay? All right, really cute. These are $1.25. They come in gold and also silver. And then they have the oval one as well, $1.25. Now, I had told you guys about the incense gift sets, all right? These smell good. But the one I smell... well-being, it smells okay. Purification. Purification. What's purification? Honey, the ones that smell good, honey, I believe they brought those up, okay? But these are $1.25. All right, family, make sure you guys rocking out, believing in yourself, keep going, keep growing. Until next time, peace.